Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create yourself a Fiverr account. So the first thing when you open up Fiverr account is this. It's saying find a service or become a seller. Now if you want to find jobs, you want to click on find service, and if you want to give jobs, you want to click on become a seller. So you want to click on find a service because I want to create that account. And from over here, it's asking me what things I do. Now I can skip this process as well. So I will just click on skip, and over here what I can do is, so I'm going to create my Fiverr account using Google. So I will click on Google, but you can choose whichever option you like from over here. Now from all my Google account, I'll choose the account which I want to use to create it. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to the next step. And basically, as you guys can see, my Fiverr account has been created. It's that simple. So yeah, you can use whichever method like Google, Apple ID, or your email, whatever thing you want, but the process is the same. So I used my Gmail and my account has been created. But that is how you guys can create a Fiverr account. Hit the subscribe to our channel, want to step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.